Find the surface area of this, correct to 2 decimal places. Now to do this, we need to break that into 3 parts. So we name this A1, and this one here is A2, is this shaded here, the circle, 2 circles combined. And this one, we label this is A3. So all we need to do is just to find this area and we add together, so give us the surface area. So A1 is part of a cone, so we know that's the curve, so which is, we know the rule is A equal pi r squared plus pi r l, but in this case there's no circle, so all we have is this one here. So I just work this out first. A1 equal pi r l, so pi times the radius in this case is 3, because from here all the way to here is 3 units, 3 centimeters, because the diameter is 6, so times 3. Then we need to times the slant height, this side here, this is the slant height, so we need to find out the slant height first. So this is 3 and this is 5, so we can do is L equal 5 squared plus 3 squared, square root of that. So 5 squared 25 plus 9, so it's 34. So 34, but it's square root. So I just leave that exact form first, just makes it easier. That's all, times by square root of 34. So now I just put that in calculator. So you go shift pi times 3 times square root of 34, which is equal to this. Now I just, because I'm gonna use that later, so I just go answer, shift, store A. So this go into memory A now. So the answer is 54.955. I just write 3 decimal place first. So equal 54.955. And then A2 equal, so A2 is this 2 circle. Okay, so we need to find the larger circle minus the smaller circle. We call annulus if you like. So the larger circle, pi, big R squared minus pi, and small I squared is for the smaller circle. So we know that the radius of the smaller circle is 3, because from here to here is 3, and the larger circle is all the way from here is 5, because it's 10 centimeters is the diameter. So all we need to do is pi times 5 squared minus pi times the radius, small radius, which is 3. So 3 squared. So which give me, so pi times 5 squared 25 minus shift pi times 3 squared. 3 squared is 9. So it's just easier, that's all. So 50.265. So 50.265. Then what I need to do is I need to store that memory B. Answer, shift, store in B first. So always the first answer store in A, second in B, third in C, and so on. Always do systematically, so you don't have to forget which one is which. Now A3 is a curve, so A3 is equal to pi r l. So we know that the radius is 5 and the perpendicular height is 4, so I just draw it out from here all the way here like this. So this is 4, this is 5. If I draw a triangle out, so it's easier, so like this. So this is 5 here, and the height is 4, and we need to find the slant height. So same thing happen in here. So L equal, so 4 squared plus 5 squared, square root of that. So 4 squared is 16, 5 squared is 25, so altogether is 41. So leave in exact form, just easier. So which is equal to pi times the radius is 5 and times the slant height is square root of 41. So now I just put that in the calculator. So I clear this first. So shift pi times 5 times square root of 41. So it's equal to 100 and 100.58. So 100.58. And then what we do is we just add them up. So now, therefore, the surface area is equal to 54.955 plus 50.265 plus the last one is 100.58. So what I need to do now, sorry I run a space, I just write equal here, okay? So now what I do, I just add them up. Now this is the last one, so the third one, I just put answer, shift, store in C first. Now what I need to do is just add them up. So I just go alpha A, okay, plus B, so alpha B, and plus C, so alpha C. So which equal to 205.80 square centimeters. So the answer is 205.80 square centimeters. Please pause the video and do this one yourself. So what we need to do is we find area 1, we'll find this, and we find the area of this annulus here, A2, and then we find this area which is A3, and we add them up. That will give you the surface area. So first of all, we know that this the perpendicular height here is 4, and then all the way from here to here is the radius, which is 3, because 6 is the diameter. So we can find this length height here. L is equal to 4 square plus 3 square, square root of that. So 4 square is 16. 16 plus 3 square is 9, so which is 25. So square root 25 is 5. Otherwise, just you calculate and put them in. So we can find area 1. Area 1 is a curve of a cone, so which is pi RL. That's A1. So pi times the radius is 3 times L, which is 5. So I can put in calculator now. So I just bring the calculator up. So which is shift pi times 15. 3 times 5 is 15. So 15. So which give me is 47.123 and so on. Answer, shift, store in memory A first. So which is 47.123 and so on. So just write 3 decimal place first. So 47.124 for 3 decimal places. And then I find area of this, so which is annulus. So area of the larger circle minus the smaller circle, which is pi, capital R square, which is for the larger circle, minus pi, smaller circle. So which is pi times radius, which is the larger circle. We can see that the diameter all the way from here to here is 8. So the radius must be 4. So 4 square and minus pi times the smallest radius, which is 3. So times 3 square. So now I just put that in the calculator. So which is shift pi times 4 square is 16 minus shift pi times 3 square, which is 9. So give me 21.991 and so on. So store that in memory B first, shift store B. So 21.991. 21.991. Just write in 3 decimal place first. Then area 3 is a curve. So A3 equal pi RL. So pi times the radius is 4 in this case, and the slant height, we haven't got this slant height, so we need to work it out. Let me clear this first. So just construct the radius and the perpendicular height first. So this from here to here is 4, and all the way from here to here is 5. So to find the slant height of this, L is equal to 4 square plus 5 square, square root of that. So which is give me 41 and square root. So now just times by square root of 41. So which is equal to, so pi shift pi times 4 times square root of 41 equal to 80.464. So 80.464. Now I just add them up. So the surface area is just add them all together. So 47.124 at 21.991 at 80.464 equal to, so I just bring the calculator up. Now the last one which is did is still on the screen, so all I need to do is I press answer plus alpha A, which is the first one, area 1, and add area 2, alpha B. That's give me the surface area. So which give me 149.58 square centimeters, because we have to correct into 2 decimal places. So 149.58 square centimeters. Thank you so much for watching.